Thank you. How old is Mommy today?
6.
I'm 6?
Yeah.
What's your mommy's name?
Sammy.
Sammy. What does your mommy do for a job?
Put a shoe.
Buy shoes? What color is Mommy's hair?
White.
White? How tall is Mommy?
Like that.
Like that?
Just like Rocky.
Like Rocky? What's Mommy's favorite color?
Blue.
And what's her favorite animal?
A shark.
A shark? What does Mommy like to do?
She likes to paint something.
Paint something? Okay, wave to the camera.